Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile phone. I will start with a simple photo and turn it into a clean kitchen design. Adjust the color. Editing is very easy. Click the shape option, eraser color, enable button on, click the copy option, click another copy, color the change, enable button on. Change the background, click the opacity option, enable button down. Your design is ready, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.